Happy Black History Month from Dr. Crystal. Today we talked about African culture, music, dance, and coming together, and the vital role it played in people's ability to communicate and celebrate events. They had marriage rituals, healing rituals, rainmaking rituals, coming of age, and many other rituals. African dance was simply not for entertainment, but rather to tell a story, narrate history, and transfer emotions. They have traditions that were rich and handed down from generation to generation, and it was an honor to use the ancestral practices. We can use them today. So, what are some ways to avoid burnout and minimize stress? 1, don't say yes to everything. 2, it's okay to take a 2 to 5 minute mental reset break at your desk by listening to music or doing a short meditation. 3, practice deep breathing. 4, go for a 5-minute walk after dealing with a stressful or tough situation. 5, if you need to, step into the restroom with your phone for a 3-minute relaxation period by listening to a soothing sound on your phone that will relax you. There's a lot of free apps out there available. Whatever you choose to do something. Don't stay in that high state of stress. So I say, rise above your former thoughts. You are worthy. Reclaim your power over your life, because after all, it is your life. And restore. Find a way to relax, unwind, and rejuvenate. Go out there, dance, sing, play an instrument, pray, and if you're lonely, find instant community while doing activities that you enjoy. This is Dr. Crystal saying, be well. You are worth it.